Yeah, I'll tell you what's wrong with it. It's got no gas in it. Why won't it start? Well, there's nothing left to it, buddy. Look at that. So, pop slot. Just gonna I can just pull it off. So, this has to come off. Now, these bolts are so soft that when I hit them, they get flat. Really flattened the shit out of that nail head, though. Look at that. And compared to this, we're gonna get this little tip off. So we'll just grab that, kind of get it off of there. So we go nail head, nail pinner, and then we film it. How about that? I'm gonna give it a little tap, tap, tap. That should just fall right through. Third one's the charm. Now take a look at this. This is my first one. I almost, turned it into a pin on both ends. So this is what we need to replace. But the idea is that I could just flip it over and reuse it. I'll take a look here. 9.5 inch diameter. Well, I got the new one on, and it's really not that different. When you look at the teeth, you wouldn't think it was broken, but comparatively, it's important to have a starter gear that has the proper amount of teeth, otherwise you'll just shear this again. So that could be my problem, but we'll cross that bridge. Ah, shit, I need a fucking key? God damn. I forgot about that. That drops right in there. Alright, so we started with that. And get on her.